Today we will generate all types of password like simple password, random string with fixed length, password with lowercase, password with uppercase. Simply run this module. Yes, we got the output. This is the cryptographically secure password by using secret module. Hello programmers, welcome back to my channel. I am Dhurub Saxena from Python Beginners YouTube channel. I hope you all are okay. So without wasting any time, let's start a very interesting topic, how to generate random password in Python. So before start the video, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. So let's start. So this is the agenda of today's video. Today we will generate all types of password like simple password, random string with fixed length, password with lowercase, password with uppercase, password without replace character, password with a letter, digit and special character, and also use the secret method. And we will discuss about random versus secret. So what are the steps? We need to import two packages, random and string, and second, prepare a script. So let's start. Let's create a simple password. So first we will generate the simple password. We have to import two packages, random and string. So we have import two packages, random and string. Now we define a function for code reusability. Get password and pass the parameter length. Now define the letters is a variable is equals to, now we define the string a anything. Now we need one more variable, password is equals to, we have basically used the join method of this string. Guys, if you want to learn about this string and its all method, I have already created a video on it. I have also provided the link in the description. So join is a function of string, random dot choice. Choice is a method of random and pass the letters. And now we need to define the iterative loop, I in range of length. Now print the password like this. Random password length is, now first we print the length. It is stored in the length variable, and now we print the password, and password is stored in the password variable. And now we just simply need to call this function, get password. We have to specify the length of this password. So we have pass date. Save this program. I have saved this program and run this module. So here is your random password of 8 length. Simple string password is generated. Now let's move on to the second one, random string with fixed length. Here we don't need to define the letters like this. String dot ASCII lower cases. Basically this will generate A to Z lowercase letters, and we have saved this file. We don't need to change anything else. Just simply run this module. We got the password. Now let's move on to the third one. Password with the lowercase. A random string with fixed length and password with lowercase is similar. Now move on to the password with uppercase. We just need to change here string dot ASCII uppercase. It will generate the ASCII characters A to Z in the uppercase. Save and run it again. Yes, we got the password in the upper cases. Now let's move on to the next one. Basically it is without repeating character. In this password the character will not repeat, so we need to change here. We don't need to use the choice method. We have to use the sample method and pass the letter and the length of this string. Save this file and run it again. So we got the password. In this password the character is not repeating. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. We have also generated in the lowercase by using ASCII lowercase. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Now we need to generate password with letters, digit and special characters. So here we need to change here string dot ASCII letters plus string dot digits. It's a method of string. We need also special characters, string dot punctuation. String dot punctuation, and we have to change here. Again we need to use the choice method, same as previously. Remember choice letters and we need a table loop for I in range length. Save, run it again. Yes, we got the output with the special characters. Or if we want to extend the length of this password, we just need to change the parameter here 15. Save this file and run it again. Yes, we got the output with special characters with 15 length. Okay, now let's move on to the next one. Alphanumeric password. We just need to change it here. We don't need string punctuation here. We just need a letter and digits. Save this file and run it again. Now it will return a combination of letters and digits which we want. Yes, it will contain the letter and digits. Now we talk about the secret. Secret is also used for generate the random string, but secret is more secure in comparison to random because random is not cryptographically secure. These all our password is not cryptographically secure. But if we talk about the secret is cryptographically secure. That's why we call secret is more secure in comparison to random. So let's generate a password using secret. Now we have just use the secret method, and now we just need the string dot ASCII letters, and now we again pass the parameter of 10 length. Run this file. Okay, just forget to import secret. Import secrets. Save this file and just simply run this module. Yes, we got the output. This is the cryptographically secure password by using secret module. We can also send this password on mail. If you don't know how to send an email using Python, I have already created a video on it, and I have also provided the link in the description. So guys, that is all in today's video. Hope you have guys enjoyed this video. We will be back with another amazing tutorial. Please like, share with your friends. Thank you.